Okay, all our friends, if you could just be seated for some time, there will be no photo op lost, I promise you. We'll give you all the photos we require. Can everyone be seated please so that we could start? First unveiling of the first look of Gaur Hari Dastan, the Freedom File. All our friends behind can come forward if they like. All those seated right at the back, if they'd like to come forward. Okay, thank you. Films like Gaur Hari Dastan, the Freedom File, aren't part of a mainstream cinema that we are so well aware of and actually like to patronize more than the other films. It's very special for me because sometimes life can be very funny. You call it destiny. There are people whom you might logically never meet in your life. But then this is what happened with me. When I met two people, Sachin Khanolkar and Bindya Khanolkar, and told them about a person who just picks up abandoned infants from the street and gives them shelter, and told them that I wanted to make a film on her, they instantly agreed. We went and met this lady called Sindhutai Sapkal, whom we had never met before. And we made a film called Me, Sindhutai Sapkal, that went on to be acclaimed at 23 film festivals all over the world and won 4 prestigious national awards. That was the beginning of a journey which I always wanted to undertake in the midst of mainstream cinema. But the task before us was, how could we better Me, Sindhutai Sapkal? How could we get a subject that was more interesting, more intriguing, and more challenging than Sindhutai Sapkal? And once again, the media, one of you, came to our rescue, and I read these headlines. It took him 32 years to get a freedom fighter's certificate. It took him 32 years to prove that he was a freedom fighter. And this is the story of a man who lives just 5 or 6 kilometers from here in Dahisar, called Gaur Hari Das. We went and met him, and we made this film called Gaur Hari Dastan, the Freedom File. The evening's special for me because a lot of people here, sitting here in the first row, actually trusted me with this. And they entrusted me with this. I must particularly mention, of course, Sachin and Bindya Khanolkar, but the team of actors who are known to be very discerning about the kind of subjects they select and the kind of films they select. Right from Konkana Sen Sharma to Ranveer Shori to Tanishta Chatterjee to Bipin Sharma and to Vinay Pathak. They are not actors who might just walk into a project if they're not convinced about it. And today, in this very first unveiling of our film, I'd like to express my gratitude to them and to this wonderful team of technicians, whom I think are the best technicians ever put together in a Hindi film. And I'm not vain and boastful in saying this, that we have the Emmy Award winner Alphonse Roy as the cinematographer. We have the Academy Award winner Rasool Pookuti designing the sound. We have 9 times National Award winner Shrikar Prasad editing the film. We have the very celebrated novelist, poet, and editor C.P. Surendran scripting the film. And the cherry on the cake, or the crowning glory, as I would say, is Dr. L. Subramaniam, the maestro, the violin maestro, composing music for a Hindi film 30 years after he composed music for Meera Nair's Salam Bombay. I'm indeed grateful that this wonderful team of art directors from Chetan Pathak to my costume designer Aparna Shah has done a wonderful and very authentic job on Gaur Hari Dastan. Thank you so much. I hope I haven't missed anyone out. Thank you so much, my team, for standing by me, and all the actors, almost 30 of them. Some of them have just done walk-on parts in this film only because they wanted to be part of the film. That is indeed a great moment of pride for us. And thank you so much, all of you who've been involved in this film, Gaur Hari Dastan. Well, I don't think it really calls for cat calls because this film is a very subtle film, so let's keep it to that. I'd like, before I go on with the evening show, and before I introduce, I think, the man of the moment, I'd like to screen for you the motion poster and the teaser trailer which will sort of launch this film today before we actually unveil the standee and also introduce you, like I said, to the man who would make a world of a difference to a film like this. So may I request the projectionist to kindly, it's virtually a jump for him from Marathi to Hindi to make Gaur Hari Dastan. Well, I would say that my existence is a miracle because the kind of cinema I want to make, it's not easy to convince producers that this is where I want to go. This is where I want my thinking to go. And in fact, the next films that I'm planning are much more difficult in that sense to convince producers. But I think now there is no turning back for me. I've had my share of what I would say the pomp and the splendor, the stars and the music and all the mainstream stuff. I've done that in Dil Vil Pyar Vyar, Dil Mange More, Aksar, Agar. I've done it all. Finally, I want to make cinema the way it should be. And the cinema that I taught myself, watching all the great masters of the world, whether it was European, Asian, Indian, or even to a certain extent American. So, for me, it's a do or die situation now. For me, it's going to be a very uncompromising situation because this is definitely the kind of cinema I want to do, and God help me.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, sir. Vijay Shankar here. Here, right here.
Sorry, yeah, I'll just come to you, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. How are you? It's nice to see you after a long time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, when did you first see the article about Gaur Hari? And then what were the difficulties and how is he different from, other freedom fighters like?
See, when I read the story about a man being denied his past, denied the truth that he lived, I went across and met him. There was this journalist, Sudhir Suryavanshi, who had written this article. And through him, I met Gaur Hari Das. And the man was very simple, very unassuming. He was a very frail person. He still is. And the first question he asked me is, why do you want to make a film on me? And like all directors, I said, because I want to. And directors, I believe, get what they want. So finally, we ended up convincing him. And the man had a lot to say. He had a great past. He had a great history. He was the man who he was the boy who used to collect funds for Gandhiji in his Vanar Sena. He eventually turned out to be the man who taught Morarji Desai how to spin the charkha. He had a very, very checkered past. And it was difficult for us to put all the important events in his life together. It turned out to be a 9-hour film. And all we have is 1 hour and 50 minutes with us. So we had to condense that into a very, very striking screenplay. A screenplay that made people sit up, think. A screenplay that moved people probably into action after they see the film. It was tough because all that he gave us was a box file of letters that he wrote to the government and the government's replies to him. That's why it's called the Freedom File. The whole screenplay was coined out of a box of letters.
Anand,
Ask Vinay, please. Vinay, hi.
Namaste.
How challenging was it for you? Because a very serious role, whereas you are known for your light-hearted films. So tell us about your journey through this film.
Yeah, it was very challenging shaving my head and looking at myself in the mirror every day. And I think after that it was easy.
Any kind of homework that went into it, the research?
I would go and meet Dasji at least once a week, and he trained me. And C.P. Surendran wrote the fantastic script, and Anantji was there to guide me. And jokes apart, I think it was the prep that we went through. We read the script a few times. And I get this question asked many times, how difficult it is to do a serious role. Obviously, because you don't think I can do a serious role. Because as you said, I made a mess of a serious question right here. So yes, it was very difficult. Thank you.
Anand, yeah.
या पन्नू या
पहले जब कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनती थी तो उनके ऊपर इल्ज़ाम लगता था कि वो देश की गरीबी को बेचते हैं. दे आर सेलिंग पॉवर्टी ऑफ इंडिया टू द फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स. कहीं आप पे इल्ज़ाम नहीं लगा कि आप देश के करप्शन और गवर्नमेंट के लिथार्जिक एटीट्यूड को बेच रहे हैं?
नहीं, जो बिके हुए हैं उसको कैसे बेचेंगे? सच बहुत कड़वा होता है, नहीं? और सच ये है कि आप लोगों को करप्शन पसंद नहीं आया, हम लोगों को एक गवर्नमेंट का एक तरीका पसंद नहीं आया, इसीलिए वी वोटेड देम आउट. पूरी दुनिया देख रही थी. अगर हमें सब कुछ छुपाना था कि दुनिया से कि हम बिल्कुल करप्ट नहीं हैं, तो वी वुड हैव वोटेड द सेम गवर्नमेंट बैक.
अच्छा, इससे पहले सेंसर के नाते आपको गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से नाता आपको जो वास्ता पड़ता होगा. इस फिल्म के बाद गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के बारे में आपका क्या कहना होगा?
आई होप द वर्किंग ऑफ द ब्यूरोक्रेसी चेंजेस. मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि चीज़ें बदलेगी और इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद अगर अभी भी हमारे गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में और ऑफिशियल्स के पास एक ज़मीर है, कॉन्शियंस है, और अगर हम अपने आप से सच कहने की ताकत रखते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है. हालांकि किसी फिल्म ने आज तक कोई रेवोल्यूशन नहीं लाया है, लेकिन अगर कहीं कोई उठकर ये कहे कि नहीं, इस आदमी ने जिस तरीके से इन्होंने सफ़र किया है, जिस तरीके का संघर्ष इन्होंने किया है, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट अनफेयर थिंग दैट वी डू टू द फादर्स ऑफ दिस नेशन. अगर वो एक फीलिंग हम में आता है, तो आई थिंक दिस फिल्म इज डन इट्स जॉब.
But Anand, what did you see in Vinay Pathak that made you choose Vinay Pathak for Gaur Haridas?
I don't know what people don't see in him. Why don't you see beyond the image of an actor in India? Why do you feel that what he does on screen, or anybody for that matter, actor or actress, does on screen is what he or she is? I think I know Vinay as a thinking actor. And for me, a thinking actor is more important than the image that he portrays. And that is why I chose him, and am I glad I chose him? Because जब आप लोग फिल्म देखेंगे, believe you me, मैं ये exaggerate नहीं कर रहा हूँ. अगर आप विनय पाठक को उस फिल्म में पहचानेंगे, तो मैं कुछ भी हारने के लिए तैयार हूँ. Sorry, I'm being too dramatic. Yes? No more questions, my lord? Okay. Now we come to the most important part of this evening. We have to unveil the standee, and for that, we have the wonderful 5 actors here with us. My producers will excuse me, my distributor will excuse me if I'm not calling them to unveil it. Yeah. So we have our actors today. So there are going to be 3 of them this side and 3 of them the other side. I'd like to call on Vinay, Ranveer, Vipin, Tanishta, Konkana. And what we'll just do is just roll this out and unveil the standee. So where would you like to be? in about 14 international film festivals, including the IFFI, that's the International Indian Film Festival in Goa, the very prestigious Kerala International Film Festival in Trivandrum, at the extravagant India Film Festival in Paris, Vinay Pathak won the Best Actor award. And at the New York Indian Film Festival, the film had 4 nominations: Best Actress Konkana Sharma, Best Actor Vinay Pathak, and Best Film and Best Director. So we have been doing the rounds of some very important festivals, and I'm happy that all over the world audiences are reacting the same way. They are absolutely overwhelmed by what they have seen. And this is a mirror to today's society. Unlike a lot of people who think that this is a period film, this is not a period film. This is about Gaur Hari Das trying to tell today's generation what it meant to keep a roof over their heads and how they got a roof over their heads. But like every film needs a good producer, every film also needs a good distributor. And when you approach the so-called powers to be to distribute or convince them that a film like this needs a specialized distribution channel, and when they do not get back to you, that is where I think a lot of people get disheartened and disillusioned. That is where I think the kind of cinema that needs to be made gets discouraged right at the root level. But Gaur Hari Dastan and its team has been very fortunate to find someone who wants to make his debut in film distribution with this film. That someone has more than a decade of film distribution, marketing and publicity experience with the Cinemax chain of cinemas and the PVR cinemas. That someone wasn't ashamed to actually come out of the screening of the film and proclaim publicly that he loved the film, unlike most distributors who would shy away from saying this just because they think that the producer might demand a higher price. I think we need to salute a person whose name is Girish Wankhede. The logo of Entity Pictures that you saw here is Girish Wankhede's company, and I'm sure in the years to come, this man and his company will be an entity. I'd like to call Girish on stage, and he really deserves a loud round of applause. We need people like Girish to support cinema that would make a difference. Thank you, Girish. Thank you for picking up Gaur Hari Dastan, and I hope and pray that this venture of yours will be the beginning of many, many good things to come.
Thank you very much, Anand. Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much. In fact, Sachin and Bindya, everybody, all the actors. I saw this film. This is a very prestigious film. This was the film which when I saw the film, I was overwhelmed. I had been in the multiplex industry for almost 11 years. And in all these years, with the context of doing various events like premiere or special screenings or music releases, I came across the film fraternity. Most of them are my friends. I worked with them in all these years. And in all these years, what I observed was a certain insecurity, certain insincerity, in fact, while releasing the film. There are so many instances where you will find a producer who doesn't know up to Wednesday what sort of showcasing he will be getting. He doesn't know where the publicity is displayed. He doesn't know the status of trailer showcasing. So there was a lot of ambiguity in the space of distribution and marketing. Being in the space of multiplexes for last with Cinemax as well as with PVR, so I have seen that there is a probability of working in that space of distribution where we can respectfully release these best films, these good films. So right now, Entity One is my brainchild, is my company which is going to start distributing films. This is the only Hindi film which we are releasing this year. We are starting the journey with Gaur Hari Dastan. Entity One is also the sole aggregator of all the regional content for PVR Pictures. So all the Marathi films, Gujarati films, Tamil films, Telugu films, Bengali films, these will be all released through Entity One by PVR Pictures. So I am releasing all the regional content because the way we have seen ambiguity, restlessness, uneasiness in the Hindi space, similar to that in Marathi space also, there are no guarantee for showcasing. There are no good distribution. So I will be the sole aggregator for all the regional content. But yes, in Hindi space also, we will be doing some films. Right now, we are only concentrating on this film. This is one of the prestigious film. I have seen the film, and this film has already got so many international acclaims. So NTT1 is starting our journey of distribution, marketing. This film is going to release on 14th of August. It's an Independent Day release. So, and as I assure you that this will be one of the very prestigious release for the producer, for the distributor, as well as for us. So we are going to also market this film. We are starting a lot of, we are actually initiating a lot of innovations in multiplex marketing, in the multiplex visibility, in trailer showcasing, even on-ground activation. So we are taking care of marketing as well as distribution of this film. And this is an honor for me to be the part of the distribution and to start a journey with such a prestigious film. Anand has been a great friend. We have seen his film, Sindhudai Sapkar. And when I saw this film, this was the only submission of mine that if I want to start my distribution company, it should be only with Gaur Hari Dastan. Thank you very much, Anand. And wish me also luck. And thank you very much. And God bless you, Anand. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Girish. Thank you for your faith in the film. And let's hope that we make a great team together and make a big success of this film. Like Girish said, it's opening on the 14th of August. It's 3 months to the 14th of August, virtually 3 months. But Girish chose to start launching this film to the media today. That's 3 months before its release. I can only think of a very big ticket mainstream film being launched like this, with the kind of resources we have, with the kind of budgets we have, and all the limitations. Thank you, Girish, for actually having the faith to launch the film 3 months in advance and arrange at least 4 events leading to the release on the 14th of August. I don't think any other film of this size has ever had a launch like this, and we have only Girish to thank. Thank you so much. Right, so before we actually do the final launch and the unveiling of the standee, I'd like to throw this open to any of our friends who would like to ask any questions. All of us are here, hopefully with the answers. The photographers definitely get their chance, so don't worry. Is there anything that anyone would like to ask? Yes. Can the mic be given to the gentleman, please? Not just me, but the cast members are also here. They could also be addressed.
Yeah, good evening to all. Congratulations. I'd like to ask Konkana Sen. Konkana ji. Yeah. Yeah. Konkana ji, what appealed to you about your character in this movie?
Actually, I read the script first and read the script in one go, which is sometimes difficult because sometimes scripts which are not well written are very difficult to read. And I found the script very moving. I was, it was written very compassionately. It introduced me to this whole world, which is such a beautifully created world. And I was very moved by the struggle of Mr. Gaur Hari Das, and I felt that I wanted to be part of the film. Even though the role offered to me was one of a 60-year-old, I thought, chalo, motherhood ages you. Maybe I should be doing older roles now. So I took it upon myself as a challenge, and I thought, let me try this also. Thank you.
Hi. Yeah. Aryaman Raja, this question is for Anand. You have basically also been a film journalist at one point of time, and your films get critical acclaim. But as a director, how do you balance the critical acclaim with the financial box office ratio?
Yeah, that's something that has always been bothering me. But then I'm always lucky to find producers like Sachin. I mean, this is his second film with me. He did Me Sindhutai Sabkal, and then it's virtually a jump for him from Marathi to Hindi to make Gaur Hari Dastan. Well, I would say that my existence is a miracle because the kind of cinema I want to make, it's not easy to convince producers that this is where I want to go. This is where I want my thinking to go. And in fact, the next films that I'm planning are much more difficult in that sense to convince producers. But I think now there is no turning back for me. I've had my share of what I would say the pomp and the splendor, the stars and the music.
सवाल के बीच में तुम लोग की आदत है बोलने की। गौरी दर्शन नहीं है पिक्चर का नाम, गौर हरि दास्तान। गौरी दर्शन, गौर हरि दास्तान का फर्स्ट। अबे फिर दर्शन, गौर हरि दास्तान। दास्तान का लॉन्च है। हाँ, उसके बारे में बताइए। सर आपका किरदार क्या है? उसके बारे में मैं ये कहूँगा कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है। सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है कि जिन जिन लोगों ने पढ़ी स्क्रिप्ट उनका काफ़ी उत्साहित रहे कि एक हिस्सा बने फिल्म का, चाहे स्टारकास्ट हो, चाहे टेक्निकल टीम हो, चाहे प्रोड्यूसर्स हों, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हों, सब्जेक्ट ही बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। उसके अलावा जो सीपी सुरेंद्र ने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी वो बहुत ही एक टाइट और कड़क स्क्रिप्ट थी। तो सिनेमैटिकली भी देखा जाए तो सब्जेक्ट को बहुत अच्छे से लिखा गया था। अब फिल्म भी बहुत अच्छी बनी है। बहुत अच्छे लोगों ने मिलकर एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट पे फिल्म बनाई है। तो हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग सब सपोर्ट करेंगे।
सर विपिन जी के साथ काम का अनुभव बताइए। सर बहुत मजे हुए कलाकार हैं, आप खुद एक बहुत अच्छे कलाकार हैं। जी सर, विपिन जी के साथ काम का अनुभव बताइए। विपिन जी आप उनके साथ बताइए।
विपिन जी के इस फिल्म में मेरे साथ ज़्यादा सीन्स नहीं हैं। उनके साथ मेरा एक्चुअली जितना हमारी दोस्ती है उतना अच्छा हमको फिल्म में पर्दे पर रोल अभी तक नहीं मिला है। हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हाँ, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हो जाएगा।
अब विपिन जी आप बताएं सर।
मेरे लिए भी ये बहुत इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म, क्योंकि ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स को ढूंढ के निकालना और उस पर फिल्म बनाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। और ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स पे फिल्म बनाना इतना आसान भी नहीं, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट अ वेरी ग्लैमरस काइंड ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट। और मेरा कैरेक्टर इसमें मैंने एक सीन के लिए फिल्म की है। वो सीन मैं बताऊंगा नहीं, वो आप जब फिल्म देखेंगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा क्यों मैंने किरदार किया। मैं हमेशा हर बुरे आदमी में एक कुछ उसका एक पहलू ज़रूर होता है जो अच्छाई वाला पहलू होता है। तो मेरा एक बुरा कैरेक्टर है जिसकी एक अच्छाई का पहलू शायद आखिर में फिल्म में नज़र आता है।
सर फिल्म के दौरान, शूटिंग के दौरान कोई ऐसा यादगार लम्हा हो जो आप शेयर करना चाहें?
यार ये बहुत ही मेरे को बहुत बुरा सवाल है ये इतना, क्योंकि आप यहाँ तो आप लोग शूट पे आके पूछा करो इतने तो आपको याद है पिछले साल नवंबर में आपने जो किया, क्या आपको याद रहेगा? अभी बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है यार।
लेकिन तो मैं अलाउड नहीं करते हैं ना। अलाउड करेंगे तो फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
तो बहुत यादगार यही कि मतलब एक जो चीज़ मुझे याद, जो ओवरऑल फिल्म की जो एक चीज़ याद है वो ये है कि एक बार आनंद जी ने मुझे आके कोने में ले जाके बड़ा क्लियरली कहा था कि तुम विनय के पास नहीं बैठोगे। क्योंकि जो सीन्स हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे उस दिन वो काफ़ी सीरियस सीन्स थे, और मैं और विनय जब साथ में होते हैं तो मतलब ऑफ कैमरा हम लोगों का बहुत भारी मजाक ऑन रहता है। तो आनंद जी को लगा था कि दैट विल अफेक्ट इट, तो वो मुझे एक याद है। मैं और विनय अभी भी डरते, आनंद को जब देखते हैं तो हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत मजाक में उनको छेड़ते भी हैं कि कैसे हम लोग को उन्होंने अलग किया था। बट ये याद है मुझे बस ठीक है। थैंक यू सर। सी जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में जर्नलिस्ट का, ही इज इंस्ट्रूमेंटल, ही इज की इन मेकिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ गौर हरि दास्तान go public. There is his own character arc is about his own struggle with his team, with his newspaper, because he is a bit of an activist journalist, journalist, and that because of that reason the powers that be are not in his don't work to his favor as well. तो मेरे कैरेक्टर का बहुत अच्छा आर्क, अपना एक आर्क है जो गौर हरिदास्तान के कैरेक्टर के आर्क से मिलता है, एंड यू नो हाउ ही मेक्स श्योर कि ये कहानी सब जानते हैं। रिसर्च मैंने ये की कि जो हमारे लेखक हैं हमारे फिल्म के, सीपी सुरेंद्रन, बहुत सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट हैं, उनसे मैंने मैं उनसे मिला, स्काइप पर उनसे काफ़ी बार इंटरेक्ट किया। तो उनका एक सिनिसिज्म है, अगर आप सीपी को जानते हैं तो वो मैंने थोड़ा उठा के कैरेक्टर में लाने की ज़रूर कोशिश की है। बाकी उनकी स्क्रिप्ट इतनी अच्छी थी कि एक्चुअली ये जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है, दो लोग मतलब रियल लाइफ में जो दो लोगों का कैरेक्टर मिलके एक कैरेक्टर, मेरा जो कैरेक्टर बना है, तो उन दोनों की ये जो मतलब जर्नलिस्ट का सिनिसिज्म और जो एक्टिविस्ट का एक्टिविज्म, सीपी का सिनिसिज्म, ये एट्रीब्यूट्स मैंने कैरेक्टर्स के आनंद के साथ वी हैव ट्राइड टू ब्रिंग अहेड।
थैंक यू सर। हो गया, सही है। हाँ ठीक है सर। आज लॉन्चिंग है फिल्म का फर्स्ट लुक, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
फर्स्ट लुक का ये है कि इस फिल्म के साथ ही एक NTT1 नाम की कंपनी का भी अपनी जर्नी शुरू हो रही है, जहाँ पर हम इस फिल्म को रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं। ये फिल्म बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है, हमने ये फिल्म देखी है। चूँकि मैं मल्टीप्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री से 10 साल से हूँ, तो जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म को रिलीज़ करना चाहिए, जिस तरीके से इसको मार्केट करना चाहिए, उसका पूरा एक विज़न हमने तैयार किया है। इसलिए ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि 3 महीने में हम इसको ज़बरदस्त मार्केट करेंगे, प्रमोट करेंगे, इसकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ाएंगे और इसको बहुत बड़े तौर से हम इस फिल्म को रिलीज़ करेंगे।
सर आपका क्या कहना है इस फिल्म के बारे में?
यार मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये। इट्स बीन सच अ ग्रेट न्यूज़। आई हैव नोन गिरीश फॉर quite some time now, and I'm very happy that I am part of the film that he's starting his journey from. I never thought of that. I came here and I came to know about this. So for me, it's a very, very highly special occasion that a dear friend is starting his journey. तो अब तो टिकट मिलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब
वो
तो
पहले भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं रहेगा।
मतलब अब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं रहेगा।
बिल्कुल ही नहीं रहेगा।
So I'm very happy that he's starting a total new.
कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, इनको मतलब नेशनल अवार्ड मिल चुका है फिल्म के लिए, राष्ट्रीय अवार्ड भी मिल चुका है, उनके बारे में आपका?
यार नेशनल अवार्ड मिला, अब क्या बोलना है, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है यार। सॉरी
नेशनल अवार्ड विनर्स है, तो कहीं ना कहीं अप्रोच करना डिफिकल्ट रहा होगा।
यार, जिनको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलता है वो लोग तो मुझे लगता है बहुत
ईजी होते हैं एक्सेस करने में,
बड़े नॉर्मल से लोग होते हैं।
जितने नेशनल अवार्ड्स मिले इस फिल्म से का उसका रुतबा बढ़ा इस फिल्म का, और सारे लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। और जहाँ तक नेशनल अवार्ड विनर्स है, उसके अलावा नेशनल अवार्ड विनर्स है, ऑस्कर नॉमिनी हैं, सारे स्टॉलवर्ड्स हैं यहाँ। कम से कम इस फिल्म में 11 लोग ऐसे जुड़े हुए हैं जिनको क्रिटिकल अक्लेम मिला हुआ है।
ऐसा कोई मुश्किल नहीं होता किसी को अप्रोच करना। हर एक्टर चाहता है कि वो एक अच्छी फिल्म करे, तो अगर आपके पास एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है तो आप कोई मना नहीं करेगा उससे। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि अप्रोच करना मुश्किल होता है। अप्रोच करना मुश्किल वहाँ होता है जहाँ पे एक सिस्टम थोड़ा अलग होता है, या इट्स अ वेरी हाईली मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म। इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ फिल्म विद सलमान और सम बिग स्टार, then there is a different way of working around it. But you know, like scripts that are really very independent type films, films that have great stories, and you know they are trying to say something through the story. Those films are, I think it's all actors are very approachable. It's not like that actually.
थैंक यू।
नहीं लगेगा कि मैं बांग्लादेश का प्रधानमंत्री हूँ और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस दे रहा हूँ। हाँ चलिए। अच्छा, मैं सबके लिए जवाब देता हूँ। मैं अपने 3 सवालों का जवाब देता हूँ। इस फिल्म का नाम है गौर हरी दास्तान। ये गौर हरी दास जी जो स्वतंत्रता सेनानी हैं, उनके संघर्ष की कहानी है। उन्हें कैसे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी का सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए कुछ 25 से 30 साल संघर्ष करना पड़ा सरकार से, और ये उसी संघर्ष की कहानी है। वो अभी भी जीवित हैं और उनका जीवन और उनके जीवन से जुड़ी जो सच्ची कहानियां हैं वो बहुत ही प्रेरक हैं। और इसी कारणवश अनंत जी ने उस पर एक फ़िल्म बनाने की सोची। हमारे पास स्क्रिप्ट लेकर आए। मेरा सौभाग्य है कि उन्हें लगा कि मैं इस किरदार की भूमिका निभा सकता हूं, और इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि फिर जितने लोगों ने, कोंकणा, रणवीर, तनिष्ठा, विपिन जी और जितने बहुत ही कमाल के कलाकार जुड़े हैं इस एंसेम्बल से, टेक्निकल टीम बहुत ही सेलिब्रेटेड है, और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ और इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ 14 अगस्त का, जब ये फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है। हाँ, कई बार मिला वो। बल्कि मैं तो आपको ये वादा करता हूँ कि रिलीज़ के पहले हम आपका परिचय गौर हरिदास जी से भी कराएंगे।
अच्छा, मैंने एक सवाल होगा। आजकल के समय में जो चालू फिल्में चल रही हैं उनसे बिल्कुल
आप किसको चालू फिल्में कहती हैं भाई? जिसकी टिकटें बिकती हैं।
मतलब इसकी टिकटें नहीं बिकेगी ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, लेकिन वो जो पेड़ों के आगे नाचने वाले और एकदम लवर बॉय और इस टाइप
जी, जी,
के
जी।
टाइम में जो फिल्में चल रही
जी।
हैं उसके समय में अगर ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं तो फिर दर्शकों का एकदम टेस्ट आप बदल रहे हैं, आपको उम्मीद है ये
देखिए
कितना
मेरा
काम
मेरा ये मानना है कि हर समाज में हर तरह का दर्शक वर्ग होता है। हर समाज में हर तरह का साहित्य पढ़ने वाले लोग होते हैं, उसी तरह हर तरह की फिल्में देखने वाले दर्शक होते हैं। जो दर्शक आप जिसे चालू फिल्म कह रही हैं, जो रोचक फिल्में हैं, गाने और संगीत और मारधाड़ से भरी हुई हैं, शायद वो उन्हें ज़्यादा पसंद है। ये बात जो आपने जो मुद्दा उठाया है वो शिक्षा का मुद्दा है। हमें साहित्य के प्रति कितना रुझान बचपन से है और हम कितना इवॉल्व हुए हैं, हमारा जो वर्ल्ड व्यू है वो कितना आगे बढ़ा है, हम कैसे वर्ल्ड लिटरेचर को, हमारे लिटरेचर को कैसे आगे लेके जाते हैं, उससे हमारे सिनेमा देखने की तमीज़ भी जुड़ी हुई है। तो ये इट्स एन ऑन गोइंग इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस। तो इस वजह से कि चूंकि सिर्फ वही फिल्में चलती हैं या वही किताबें बिकती हैं या पॉकेट बुक से बिकता है, लोग अगर साहित्य लिखना बंद कर देंगे तो साहित्य का वजूद ख़त्म हो जाएगा, अस्तित्व ही नहीं रहेगा। तो इसीलिए जिसे जितना आता है वो उतनी ही चीज़ ईमानदारी से करे, तो मुझे लगता है कि समाज में ये हमारी शिक्षा के लिए, हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियों की शिक्षा के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ विनय।
Well, Gaurhari Dastan. Yeah, Gaurhari Dastan is a film about Mr. Gaurhari Das, who is a freedom fighter, and he fought for the freedom of the country till he was 17 years old, and then for 32 years he fought to get the Tamra Patra, which is a certificate which tells you that he's a freedom fighter, and the entire story is revealed through two reporters, which is played by Ranveer Shori and me. And so it's a very compelling story, and I am very proud and honored to be a part of this film, which Anant Mahadevan has directed, and Vinay Pathak plays the part of Gaurhari Das.
So did you meet a real character, Hari Das?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
What was the experience meeting him as well?
I think quite touching and overwhelming. He was initially surprised why someone wants to make a film about the subject. And then when he saw the film, he was very happy that it touched him as well, because he saw his struggle and his emotions come in front of him,
You are more inclined to offbeat films. You choose more. What is the reason behind it? I mean,
They choose me. They choose me. Yeah.
So you are not interested in working in a masala film, given an offer.
I'm an actor, so I'll work in anything that is interesting.
And what is the next project as such? Any project?
Yes, I have done 2 Australian films. There's one which is a romantic comedy, which is Brett Lee and me in the lead. And there's another Australian film called Lion, which is an ensemble cast. It has Dev Patel, Nicole Kidman, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, me, Deepthi Nawal. I have done another film called Rough Book, which Anant Mahadevan has only directed. That is also releasing in August, September. So I have another film called Parched with Leena Yadav, which Mr. Ajay Devgan has produced. So yes, a number of films in the pipeline.